Mirror glaze is a glossy and smooth covering widely used to decorate cakes and desserts, particularly chocolate ones. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 150 grams of sugar, 75 grams of water, 150 grams of glucose syrup, 100 grams of condensed milk, 150 grams of chocolate, white, milk, or dark, according to preference, 10 grams of gelatin sheets, which is about 5 fish gelatin sheets, water-soluble food coloring, optional, depending on the desired color. Preparation: start by soaking the gelatin sheets in cold water to hydrate them for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in a small pot, bring the water, sugar, and glucose syrup to a boil. When the mixture starts to boil, remove it from the heat and add the condensed milk. Stir to combine well. Chop the chocolate into pieces and put it in a container large enough to hold all the ingredients. Drain the gelatin and add it to the sugar, condensed milk, and glucose syrup mixture. Stir until it is completely dissolved. Now pour the hot mixture over the chocolate. Wait a minute and then gently stir until you obtain a smooth, homogeneous cream without lumps. If you wish to color the glaze, add the food coloring and mix well. To obtain a smooth mirror glaze, pass the mixture through a sieve. Allow the mirror glaze to cool to around 35 degrees Celsius before using it. Dipping is the most used technique to glaze desserts. Quickly dip the dessert into the glaze and lift it carefully to allow the excess to drain off. Curiosity: mirror glaze is an elegant finish that is widely used in modern patisserie, especially in plated desserts and entremets. Its glossy and perfectly smooth appearance gives desserts a sophisticated and professional image. For an even more spectacular effect, some more advanced versions of the technique include the addition of mica powder or other decorative elements to add an additional level of brilliance and color.